Hey, it's me, Gareth, and today I'm on the Grand Princess, and we're going to take a look at an inside cabin. This is our new cabin on the Grand Princess, and of course my medallion is making the door unlock, and it's not a very big cabin. You should know that from the get-go. We'll go in the bathroom last. It does have this little rack of shelves with a safe. And a door. And it does have this huge shelf area up here, complete with life vests. We had plenty of hangers, although we do have some wire hangers from clothes we brought from home, you know. Enough room for 2 big suitcases or a pile of shoes, whatever floats your boat. We've just gotten in this cabin, or they've just delivered the luggage, I should say, so we haven't put it away yet. There are 3 little shelves here. I guess they're fairly big. Big enough for a bunch of GoPro equipment. 3 drawers, what I might call a vanity or a desk, trash can. No drawer here though. One of these, and if I get up here, can you see that special effect? On and on and on and on. Okay. Telephone, 2 USA type outlets, and 1 Australian outlet. That's an Australian outlet. And 2 USB-A's, you know, the old school USB, right? And a light switch. I've discovered over the years that if you plug things into these, you're really not going to get anything plugged in next to it, or very few things. If you bring an adapter, you can plug it into that. You know, we have an adapter. A television. We'll go over that later. A cabinet with a refrigerator in it. And this refrigerator is not real cold, but I think it gets colder, you know, when it stays closed. This is the mini bar setup. We already had a couple drinks out of here. And this is more of it. I've never gotten this on a Princess cruise before. Well, as you can see behind the TV, it's very dark, but the outlet, the only outlet, is being used. It's got 2 nightstands with lamps, and the lamps rotate out like that, right? And they have switches, and they have USB-A outlets. Yeah. So they have a little cubby hole and a drawer. 2 drawers. Each side is the same, and a mirror. The beds are very comfortable. I'm going to pull this out now and show you what's behind it so you don't have to. And the important thing to know, and I understand that's really dark, is that these are European outlets, and they operate that, the USB there and the lamp. European outlets. So there's no sense changing or pulling out the bed. There's 1 on each side for sure, but they're European outlets, and if you unplug them, you'd need an adapter plus your lamp, and your USB port here wouldn't work. So plan ahead. These are light switches, and those are the same light switches. One switches the door light, one switches the room, although the door light doesn't work. At least the switch for it. Hers does. Thermostat, of course they always have it down to the coolest, and it's still a little warm in here. No numbers. Let me get back here. That's the whole room, right? I mean, there's that, There's that. Let's go in the bathroom now. Another mirror. Light switch for the bathroom outside. We don't have any towels here yet. And somebody put a towel on the floor. So you have Beekman 1802 hand wash body lotion. Faucet, 2 glasses, 3 shelves. Another outlet, but it's for shavers only, right? I don't know what happens if you plug something else into it. I've never tried. Towels, bath mat, clothesline. Now that's extended out, so if you need it, use it. A non-removable shower head, but it is an adjustable for the pressure or stream or whatever you want to call it. In here you have body wash and shampoo and conditioner. And then this is the water pressure. Let me turn it on just, okay. This is the temperature in Celsius. And it's a decent sized shower. It's there, see? I wouldn't touch that curtain. I'm very far away from it. So let's go look at the TV. Princess TVs are really good. The things they have on them, the variety, the selection, it's better than any other cruise line.
Sometimes the TV messes up a lot.
So that's Neil, the cruise director, doing the wake show. Yeah, on this cruise there's been a Wi-Fi issue. But you've got live TV channels, and sometimes there are a lot of NFL channels this time of year, but it's pretty much the same as every other cruise, and the bridge cam. Then you have movies, and the good thing is they're all free. They're all included. There's no commercials, there's no price. Some of them you can even watch a trailer for. And there's hundreds, literally hundreds of movies. There's all sorts of categories. See how it's lagging a little bit? And then these go on and on. So, lots of movies. Now I have to get back. Whoop. And if movies aren't enough, there's television series. Now, they don't have all episodes of almost anything. This is Gareth and Janet from cabin B616 on the Grand Princess saying, see you in the next port. Bye.
Bye.